Hi, AA-AUDITS. Out on the Parkgate promenade this morning. Rough weather forecast, and close to 100 mallards have just dropped in on the flash by the ship. You see them right into the very far banks of the reed beds, and as you move around, there's about 20-25 here. A few pintail had flown out before. There was also some pink-feet geese. They shot off about 15 minutes ago because someone's dog decided to go down by the water's edge. But plenty of ducks about. Wind's starting to get up a little bit. Just a quick view of the morning. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Bye.